Everybody, Chevy, nobody else's auto. Today, it's Friday afternoon. We are getting ready for the big annual sunflower swap meet for charity in Wichita, Kansas next weekend. Friday and Saturday at Century 2. Be sure to check out their page. They've got the schedule and everything on there. The exact way I've got it typed in the title is exactly how their page is titled. So you can check that out, check them out, get the schedule for next Friday and Saturday, see what all is going on. Great swap meet, been going on for years. Literally don't hardly remember a time that I have not gone to this swap meet. I know I haven't missed one in at least 30 years. So I was a pretty little kid when I first started going to still remember that today. So anyway, starting to sort some things out, starting to get some stuff toted up and sorting through parts, getting some things marked, trying to be ready so when I get there next week to unload Thursday afternoon that we're organized and ready to go. Thought we'd show you a couple little things real quick that we're working on. Obviously, we showed you the big sign. I'm going to try to get this in. There's no guarantees. I'm going to be able to get this big thing in. It's a beast. But it's a great sign. I think it's even new old stock. The paint and the colors on it are amazing. I don't think it's ever been outside. It's just big. So hopefully I can get it on top and lay it flat across everything. If not, it may have to stay at home and somebody's going to have to pick it up here. But going to try to get that in. Laying some stuff out here on the table, starting to mark some pieces so I can be boxed up and ready to go when we get there. Cool, big, cool job rated Dodge badge, 36 Dodge horn covers, some international parts, lots of hood ornaments. Got some stuff laid out on the floor. I've already got marked, just ready to tote back up. Bunch of Chevy trim, some 6061 Chevy short wide bed pickup factory side molding, super hard to find. Couple of Fulton sun visors I'm going to be taking with me. I don't know what the AF sign is, but it looks kind of cool. Figure we throw it in, throw in a set of golden arches. Come on over this way. Still got totes of stuff I've been dragging down, sorting out, getting ready to mark. Getting picture boards of cars for sale ready, of different units that are still pretty much complete somebody could do something with. Gonna take a stamp machine. Bought it, thought it was cool, can't find a place to put it, so gonna bring that along. Got some other totes laid out, working on some hubcaps. Got some Texaco stuff, some extra Texaco stuff out of our collection. Fire chief helmet, fire truck, oil cans, some other toys, some factory shop manuals. Got a book of historical documents. These are really cool. Some of this stuff is so awesome. 36 Chevy truck, 1920 Willie's Night Touring, 1917 Studebaker, 1923 Overland, 33 International. These are just really cool. I mean, they look cool. 1922 Durant. You know, if you just frame them and hang them up because they look cool. 23 Chevy Coupe. 1920 Chandler, just all kinds of weird stuff in that book that just cool display pieces that are neat to have around. Got this little slot machine. I think we're going to throw it in. Don't really know where to put it or have any good thing to do with it, so I think we'll throw that in. Bringing some factory shop manuals with us. So all kinds of cool stuff. Got some factory radios. We're going to be bringing along 60, 63 Chevy and GMC pickup. I've got a couple of these. I'm bringing both Chevy and GMC. So, lots of exciting stuff happening. Like I said, be sure to check out their page. This is a charity event. John Arini saying to put this deal together. They get the whole project put together. They spend months and months on this deal. And they do it so all of us car guys can go hang out, check things out, and have a good time. It's a ton of work to put this thing together. They have to lay out the entire Century 2, keep everybody organized, get them in, get them out to make this thing work. And then, on top of that, after they do that, after they spend months and months and months on this project, just so guys like us can go there and hang out and see our friends and look for parts, they give the money away when they're done. They do the whole thing for charity. So that's pretty impressive. The amount of work it takes to put on an event like this is crazy, but they do it. They do it because they're car people, just like we are. They do it so we have a place to go hang out. There's a lot of people I see at this swap meet that literally it's the only time I see them throughout the whole year.
Where is it?
but you always see them, and you always get to say hi, and it's always cool. So Wichita, Kansas is where we're going to be next Friday and Saturday at Century 2 in downtown Wichita. Like I mentioned earlier, the way I have the name typed in the title on this video is exactly the way their Facebook page is listed under. So look that up, check them out. That'll get you the schedule and tell you what's going on. So if you're anywhere near the area, be sure to try and make it. I think it's $5 just to get in the door and walk around, but there's so much cool stuff. There's so much cool stuff to check out. And remember, it's $5, but it's not going into somebody's pocket. It's going to charity. It's all for a good cause. And I mean, I can't imagine the amount of work that it takes to put this thing together, but it's a ton. And to do it all just to keep the swap meet alive, for all of us to go hang out, see each other, and look around for cool stuff, and then to donate all the money is pretty impressive, and it's all for a good cause. So if you're anywhere in the Midwest and you can make it next weekend, it's definitely worth checking out. They've got a ton of vendors. It's a good time. They've got the maps listed on their Facebook page, so you can see how many vendors and spaces there are at this thing. But it's pretty good sized, and it's a great deal. If you've got any specific questions for me about my stuff I'm bringing, or if there's something you want me to try to bring with me, call me. Don't message me on here or text me. Just give me a call. The number's on the post, 620-786-4428. And I'll see if I can bring something with me if you need me to. Or if you've got any other questions about any other parts, just give me a call on there. So anyway, I think we're going to wrap it up. Don't want to take up too much of your time this afternoon. Just want to bring you a quick update. Make sure everybody knows about the swap meet next weekend in Wichita, because it's a great event. So be sure to be there. Check out their Facebook page. Get the information. Look at the map, see where I'm at. I'm right at kind of a pinch point, right where the two halls come together, right by the concession stands. By all means, stop by and say hi, and hope to see you there. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we will see you next Friday or Saturday at the swap meet.